Okay, I'm about to show y'all how to create manifestation cards if you want to sell this as your first digital product. The first thing you want to do, of course, is go to Canva. Canva has a free version and they also have a pro version. And excuse my screen, I dropped it a couple of times, so now I got to get a whole new iPad or just get this one replaced. But anyway, so I'm going to put about 4 manifestation cards on one sheet of paper. So what I'm going to do is go to create a design, and then we're going to go to custom size. And normally I do 8.5 by 11, which is the same size as a sheet of paper that you put inside of a printer. So the next thing you're going to do is type in line, or you can select line right here. And we're just going to block it off into 4. So I'm going to choose this line, which is the third one. And then we're going to move this over. And so I'm going to drag this until that pink line pops up in the middle. And then we're going to go to the left hand side and drag it all the way across. Right hand side and drag it all the way across. And then we're going to duplicate this. And then we're going to do a vertical line. Make sure that is straight. And then we're going to put this in the center and drag this all the way down and drag this all the way up. Now we have our 4 spaces that we're going to use for our manifestation cards. So the next thing I'm going to go to is text. And then we're going to go to add a heading. And we're going to put whatever manifestation quotes that you decide to put in here. So now I'm going to drag it up into one of the blocks. And if you want to make this smaller, you can, just by dragging it in the corner. And then we're going to play around with the fonts a little bit. So if I wanted this to be bold or a different type of font, I'm going to go up here. And then we're going to pick whatever font that we see that we like. So I'm going to use this font right here. And this is how it looks. So we're going to just make that slightly bigger. And then if you want to add pictures, you're going to go to elements. And then you will type in whatever you want to type in to match that image. So I just added that little image to give it a little, a little razzle dazzle. So I just typed in manifest, and then I used one of the images that they have over here. And you can do the same thing on your end as well. So now instead of you redoing all of that, what you're going to do is click that. And then we're going to hit duplicate so we can put our words the exact same for each block. And then we're just going to drag it over to each one. And now we're just going to change up the sayings. Okay, now that we have all of our sayings, we're going to do the same thing. Go to elements. And then we're going to find some more graphics. And then we're going to put them on the pictures. Now that we have all of our pictures together, now it's time to get ready to sell these as my first digital product. But before you sell these as your digital product, you want to create a mock-up to showcase people what it will look like. So what you're going to do is go right here in the corner and go to share. And then you're going to go to download and go to PNG or JPG. We just want to save an image. So I normally do PNG. And then we're going to download this. Now that that's downloaded, we're going to go to add a page. And then we're going to go to uploads. And then we're going to go to upload files. Photo library. And now that image is uploaded onto your Canva account so you can create a mock-up. So you're going to select this image to where it pops up over here. Now to make this look a little bit more realistic, what I like to do is go to edit photo. Then I go to shadows. And then we're going to go to drop. And then boom, you see how it looks a little bit more realistic as if it's laying on a table or something. This is what I like to do to, create mock-ups. Now you can also change the background color so that way it's different from the actual color. So we're going to tap the background, and then I'm going to go for more of a ombre. So let's choose this one. And then we're going to click over here, and this is how it looks. Another thing I like to put on here is like the price or just certain keywords or key points that my customers can expect with this purchase. So what I would do is go to elements again, and then I would type in rectangle or square, or sometimes it pops up right here on the shape. So I would click the square one. And then we're going to go over here, and this is going to be the box where we put our price. So of course, if you want to add more to it, then you can, but I just created, you know, a simple little flyer to promote my product, saying the price and that it's going to include 60 cards. But if you want to put a quote at the bottom, you can as well. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick how you can get in Canva, and then you can create digital products for free, or you can use PLR products and resell them as your own. If you guys like this video and you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below and let me know that you want more tutorials like this.